Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be talking about labs. Okay, so obviously in the semester, because of coronavirus, we will not be performing labs in the actual laboratory. So all our laboratories are going to be paper labs. You will be given, in this case, a sheet of paper. So in fact, I'm just going to show you where that is. So again, if you go to your learning plan 1, there's going to be this link that says lab 1, periodicity and reactivity. And there's going to be an attached file. So you need to click on that and open it. And when you open it, there's actually an introduction. The introduction is basically just discussing what's the background about this lab. What is the purpose of this lab? Okay. And what happens is I'm going to be, in this case, I have embedded some YouTube videos for you to actually watch. This would be similarly to what we would be doing if we actually perform this lab by ourselves. Okay. Ourselves in the actual laboratory. So when you watch the videos, you look at the numbers, all the numbers are going to be given to you. You don't have to find numbers. I will give you the numbers. And based on those numbers, and based of the videos shown to you, you will then ask post-lab questions. So questions at the end. So look, if you look at this one, it's going to be page 4. And in this case, there's 14 questions. All right. And again, it looks similar to this most of the time. Some of the questions are only worth 1 point, but 1 point. I'm sorry, not 1 point. But the last 2 questions, if you notice, and if you will notice, actually are worth more points. And the reason why they are worth more points is because you have to do some research. So if you're answering 13 and 14 for your first lab or the next labs beyond that, okay, beyond this lab, you need to Google, you need to look, you need to find information. Okay. After all our labs are actually going to be 20 points each. So again, also this is going to be the basis of our lab meetings on Thursdays from 9 to 10:55. So that will be the time that you can go in. So before you even meet with me, you need to make sure that you kind of have attempted to answer these questions already. And during those times, this will be the time for you to clarify, like, Abner, what does that question mean? What do you mean by this? What is ohm, or what is that? So that would be the time for you to actually ask those questions. Okay? So again, once you're done answering, the best way for you to do this, everyone, is you delete all the other, once you actually type your answers, you delete all the other pages, so you're only left with 1 page. You saved it into your desktop, you put your name, lab 1, and what you can do then is, if you go back to the learning plan, then you can click on this one and then you can submit, right, that specific sheet that you have saved previously. So if you look at this one, you can actually see it says you can either write submission. Please don't do that. Okay, don't make life hard for me. Click on browse my computer, and hopefully if you save it to the desktop, you then click on it, attach, all right? And obviously one of the very, very important things is you need to click submit. All right, very, very important. You need to click submit. If you forget to click submit, it's not going to be submitted. Now, sometimes students will submit a blank page, right? They'll submit something that was not saved, or they'll submit the actual lab without the questions in itself. Don't panic. All you have to say is, Abner, I messed up. Can you please reset it? What I'm going to do is I'll reset your submission, and then you will then be able to submit your actual correct submission. Okay, so very, very, very important here in this case. I hope that helps.